This is the Electi Review. Today, why a flawless analysis built on corrupted data is more dangerous than no analysis at all, and what small and medium-sized businesses can actually do about it. Here's the core argument. In most SMEs, data doesn't stay where it's born. It moves from an ERP system to a CSV export, then into Excel, then into a version someone tweaked before the Monday morning meeting. By the time it reaches a dashboard, it's passed through multiple hands and systems, each with its own conventions, formats, and silent errors. The result? A report that looks clean, coherent, and precise, but is built on shaky ground. And that, the article argues, is far more dangerous than an obviously broken report. Because nobody questions it. The article identifies 3 levels of validation that most companies stop short of. Syntactic validation checks that data is in the expected format. A price is a number, a date is a date. Semantic validation checks whether the value makes sense in context. A huge invoice for a small customer should raise a flag. Relational validation checks whether fields are consistent with each other. If a delivery date precedes the order date, the record is unreliable regardless of whether each individual field passes its own test. Most companies only do the first. The second and third are where the real errors hide. 5 specific failure patterns appear repeatedly in SME environments. Inconsistent decimal separators that skew margins and averages, ambiguous date formats that make monthly comparisons unreliable, missing leading zeros that break table joins, near-duplicate customer names that distort sales concentration, and columns shifted by a careless copy-paste that no one notices until the damage has already propagated. The article is direct about the real obstacle. It's not technical, it's operational. Data passes through administration, sales, logistics, external consultants, and local files. Nobody documents changes. The fix isn't a sophisticated anomaly detection model. It's repeatable, automated checks applied at the point of entry, type, format, range, uniqueness, completeness, and cross-field consistency, before errors get aggregated, discussed in meetings, and treated as facts. The conclusion is blunt. If you don't have a structured validation process, you're not trusting the data. You're relying on luck. That's the review.